Alright engineers, let's dive into a real-world challenge using the 8D problem-solving process to tackle terminal backout in wiring harnesses. You know the drill. Nothing ruins your day quite like a connector that won't stay put, right? So, what's 8D? It stands for 8 disciplines, a systematic approach for solving tough problems, especially in manufacturing and engineering. And trust me, with wiring harnesses, it's a lifesaver. Let's break it down. D1. Form a team. Grab your cross-functional squad. Think design, quality, and production. Everyone brings unique insight to the table. D2. Define the problem. Here, be specific. Instead of connector loose, document exactly where, when, and how the terminal backs out. Maybe it's pin 7 on the C12 connector after vibration testing. Details matter. D3. Implement containment. Your first job? Stop the bleeding. Maybe you quarantine affected harnesses or add extra inspection steps. This keeps the problem from spreading while you dig deeper. D4. Root cause analysis. Time to play detective. Was it a crimping issue? Wrong terminal spec? Connector misalignment? Pull out the fishbone diagram or 5 whys. Get to the bottom of what's actually causing the backout. D5. Develop permanent corrective actions. Now, brainstorm fixes. Redesign the terminal, switch suppliers, update assembly instructions. Whatever it takes to make sure it doesn't happen again. D6. Implement and validate the fix. Put your solution in place and track the results. Maybe you run a few hundred cycles on the shaker table. If that terminal stays locked in, you're on the right track. D7. Prevent recurrence. Update your training. Revise the SOPs. Add process checks. You want to make it impossible for this slip-up to make a comeback. D8. Recognize the team. This is key. Don't forget to celebrate your problem solvers. A little recognition goes a long way toward building a culture of quality. So, next time you're wrestling with terminal backout, don't just fix it. 8D it. Your connectors and your peace of mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more engineering fixes and smarter problem solving.